After one of my last episode, I received comments saying that one of the next projects you wanted to see was transforming envelopes. And today I'm coming up with this idea that is simple, is very practical, and is different. Hello, friends, this is Maria here, and today we are turning one ordinary envelope into two secret pockets, perfect for tucking away notes, tickets, or even your deepest secrets. Watch closely. All I'm doing is folding it right down the middle, but here is the magic. Now we've got a double envelope. And yes, probably you ever wish your journal pages could hide a little mystery. Yes, two pockets mean twice the space for memories, scraps, or surprises. Pop it straight into your junk journal or let it be a sweet standalone gift pouch. As you can see here, a simple fold, endless possibilities, and your journal just got a lot more fun. So, what would you hide inside yours? Let me know in the comments down below. And as you can see here, these are common envelopes that I receive in the mail, and I really don't use it, and probably everybody is throwing them in the trash or in the recycle bin. But today I'm bringing this idea that is easy, it's fast to make, and also is transformative. And the amazing thing is that you can have two pockets in the same page at the same time. You just need to finish the envelope and then glue it on both sides of the pages. And as I'm telling you, this is probably only one idea, but you can come out with another idea of how you're gonna glue it or how you're gonna use it inside your journal or your diary or your junk journal. I'm doing it on the margin or on a side of a page, but you can do it in a different way. Let me know in the comments down below what is your idea if you want to try this idea. We are always looking for something different, something unique, and there are many ideas that we can work with. And this is so special. I was really in love with this project because it's also a way to transform something and to give use to those envelopes that are going to go in the trash that nobody is going to use, and they have multiple functions and you can use them for many purposes. And by the way, I need to create another journal because I'm out of journals. I mean, I have altar books and older journals that I may use, but I really want to create one. And I have a great idea about binding that is going to be on in my next episode. So you're going to be able to see what I'm doing for binding. fold it in half, and then you don't need to add or to follow any pattern. Just follow the shape of your envelope. Cutting, gluing, you can choose the same color scheme for both halves, or you can do different because every half of the envelope is going to be on a different page. So stay in this video and watch step by step how can you transform an envelope. Working on these recycled envelopes is so much fun, and I can tell you that I'm going to keep doing a lot of them because I love the way they look inside the journal that you're gonna see in the end of this video. And also because in this episode, I'm using only cards like birthday cards, Valentine's Day cards, or greeting cards, or any cards I had around my stash. So I didn't use any other paper, and as you can see, this is a way to use some materials that we have around. Also, on top of the envelope, you can come out with different ideas like doing collaging or adding some cheesecloth, or also have some fabric, some texture. You can always come with gesso or acrylic paints and then give your envelope more texture and relief. In other words, you can never go wrong with this double envelope. Watch closely because all I'm doing is folding the envelope in half, right down the middle. But here is the magic. Now you are going to have, and I'm going to have, a double envelope. So your journal just got a lot more fun. That will be two places to hide ephemera. You can also use it for secret letters that you can write. Sometimes we write stuff in our diaries or in our journals that we don't want anybody else to read. So, this is a good way to place your secret letters, probably to yourself. And also, what we can do, and I probably can do it in my next video, is adding a closure. That will be super fun to have a different closure for every half of the envelope. I promise also that in my next video, I'm gonna show you different ways or different places where you can attach or glue your envelope in the pages of your junk journal or your diary. So this is an amazing idea, and as you can see, I combine the pattern with flowers and some parts of envelopes from the cards that are soft and with nice colors, and I try to match or use colors that are contrasting, so to make it more whimsical and more fun. I hope you tried this idea and let me know in the comments down below what is the result. And as you can see here, this journal is not bind yet because this is the one I'm going to be using in a future video to show you what is my new idea for binding. It's easy, cheap, and fast. No glue, no needles, no sewing. So stay tuned. This is also a great idea for a present during Christmas season, for example, for a birthday, because you are going to be recycling, reusing, and placing some amazing and surprising items inside this double envelope. So I love to be here. I am grateful for all your comments and all your thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment. How are you going to use this envelope? Are you going to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this idea. And don't forget that every week I'm posting a new episode in here, Maria Creative Mind. I see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye, friends.